In this video, I will share stocks for the next week which can be in momentum. We'll also do sector analysis and stock analysis. Hello, I am Sumit, intraday trader in Bank Nifty options with more than 4 years experience. I earned 12% return for July month after cost. Let's begin. These are the various indices of Nifty. We'll see them one by one. Energy sector. We'll see the daily chart. This is the daily chart. As we can see, it is at an all-time high. It is giving a strong momentum, as we can see here. So it can try to break above, or it can face resistance. We'll have to see. Metal sector still the rally is continuing. It can move towards these levels. So moving on to the next, auto sector. As we can see, this is interesting. It has taken support around this level. Next support was this, and now it is trading above both the supports, so it can try to make a move towards these levels and above. So auto sector we can focus for buying for this week and next week. IT sector, a clear uptrend in IT sector for past many months, as you can see still, and this is called the trend. When the trend starts, this can happen. See, a trend may not end as soon as we think. It is still in the uptrend and can further move up. So this is IT. Pharma sector, as we can see, many fluctuations here. It went down, up, again went down, again it is moving towards the top. So it can face resistance around this area. We have to be careful. FMCG sector, again in the uptrend, just like IT. It can further move up. Banks it broke this important level of 36,000 trading. It is now trading above that, around 37,000. So what can we expect? That it can move towards 38,000 and face some resistance at that level. Finance sector, again just like banks, trading at the top, and it can give further momentum on the upside. Now we'll see the stocks specific to the sector. Just like I said, that auto sector is looking good for fresh buying, so we'll first see the auto stocks. We'll go to auto stocks. I will arrange this. As we can see, the batteries, Exide and Amar Raja batteries, they are giving good momentum, so battery stocks are in good momentum. If we see the charts, as we can see here, in the past 5 days it made a very big up move. This clearly shows that the stock is in clear momentum, but we have to be careful. After this much big moment, correction can happen. Around 30 to 50% correction can happen. So if you are thinking of buying here, then you have to be careful. Eicher Motors, again a good momentum. So the past week auto sector gave a good momentum. Here also, as we can see, volumes are increasing. It can further move up. Hero, now this looks very much interesting for swing. It has closed above the 20 moving average. Volumes are increasing and it can move towards this 200 moving average. So this looks good for me for swing buy. Stop loss can be, if we think of buying around this level, the stop loss can be around this level. So moving ahead, Maruti, again interesting pattern, took support at 6,600 and now it is trying to move up. We can see the volume on the last day, Friday, good volume, and it can make up move towards 7,400 and above. So This is a good stock. Balakrishna Industries, again in momentum, can move towards this level. So if we can see one more, Mahindra, it is not showing any green candles, so it can take a dip towards 730, and this can be the level to watch out. Mahindra, from here it can consolidate and then bounce back. So this was the auto sector. My suggestions will be Maruti and Hero Moto for the next week. Now moving ahead, if we see FMCG stocks, they have given big movement, like McDowell's, UBL. These stocks, they are in good momentum. As you can see here, volumes are increasing, this, and price is moving up. It can give a further up move for the coming months. We should keep an eye on UBL and McDowell's. Asian Paint, again momentum starting to build up, gave a breakout and now holding at the top. It can consolidate for a while and then start its further up journey. So moving to Britannia, so momentum is still there, it is in the uptrend, can further move up, volumes are increasing. Dabur, all the stocks almost similar chart. FMCG, Marico, similar. Bata India, now you can see here it is moving up slowly and steadily. Hindustan Unilever, same pattern. So FMCG stocks bullish. Right now you can buy, but keep a strict stop loss because it has already moved up. So okay, so one more we can take sector, like finance sector. If I take, then like insurance sector is performing well, like ICICI Pru Life, SBI Life, HDFC Life. This all are doing well. As you can see, insurance stocks are in momentum. SR Transfin, it can make a move towards this level, so this can be on the watch list. And okay, so if we see this, okay, so this was the sector analysis and stock analysis for the next week. Always risk less than 1% in any given trade. I share daily intraday stocks on my Telegram channel, link in the description. I share along with my levels of entry, stop loss and target daily, so you can join our Telegram channel. And 1 year mentorship program is available for just ₹999. If you have any more enquiries, you can WhatsApp on 7666 479 384. The number is also available in the description. So thank you for watching. Learn trading and earn from trading. If you like this video, follow, subscribe and share with your friends, and see you in the next video.